In the year 2026, life for many young people in Kenya is changing very fast. The cost of living is rising, jobs are not easy to find, and many young people are now thinking differently about money. Instead of waiting for formal employment, many are creating their own opportunities. This is what people call hustling. A hustle is simply a way of earning money using the skills, tools, and opportunities that are around you. It does not have to be complicated. It only needs effort, consistency, and patience. Many young people in Kenya are now choosing small businesses and side jobs that they can start with little money. Some begin with as little as 1,000 Kenya shillings, while others start with 10,000 Kenya shillings or more. The important thing is not how much you start with, but how well you manage what you have. A good hustle grows slowly, and with time it can become a strong source of income. One of the most popular hustles today is online freelancing. This is where a person uses the internet to work for clients from different parts of the world. A young person in Nairobi, Kisumu, or Eldoret can work for someone in Europe or America without leaving their home. All that is needed is a smartphone or a computer and access to the internet. Freelancing includes writing articles, designing logos, managing social media accounts, and even simple data entry work. Many beginners start by earning small amounts like 500 Kenya shillings or 1,000 Kenya shillings per task. With time, as they gain experience, they can earn as much as 50,000 Kenya shillings or even 100,000 Kenya shillings in a month. Another easy hustle that continues to grow is selling second-hand clothes, commonly known as mitumba. This business has been around for many years, but it is still very profitable. A young person can start by buying a small bundle of clothes for about 5,000 Kenya shillings. These clothes can then be sold individually at a higher price. For example, a shirt bought at 100 Kenya shillings can be sold at 300 Kenya shillings or more. Some people sell their clothes in open markets, while others use social media platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram to reach more customers. This hustle requires good communication skills and a good eye for fashion. In recent years, online selling has become easier than ever. Many youth are now running online shops without even owning stock. This is known as dropshipping. In this type of business, you advertise products online, and when a customer makes an order, you buy the product from a supplier and deliver it to the customer. The profit comes from the difference between the buying price and the selling price. This hustle can be started with about 2,000 Kenya shillings to 5,000 Kenya shillings. It requires consistency, good marketing, and trust from customers. Transportation is also a strong hustle in Kenya. The boda business continues to support many young people. A motorcycle can be bought for about 100,000 Kenya shillings or more, but there are also options where one can lease a motorcycle and pay in installments. On a good day, a boda rider can make between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings. Some riders increase their income by offering delivery services for food and parcels. This makes the hustle even more profitable. Content creation is another growing opportunity, especially among young people. Many are now using platforms like TikTok and YouTube to create videos. These videos can be about comedy, education, lifestyle, or even daily experiences. At the beginning, the income may be zero, but as the audience grows, opportunities also increase. Content creators can earn money through advertisements, brand partnerships, and promotions. Some successful creators earn more than 100,000 Kenya shillings every month. The key to success in this hustle is creativity, consistency, and understanding what the audience wants. Agriculture is also becoming attractive to young people again. Small-scale farming does not require large land or huge capital. A person can start with a small space in their home. For example, planting vegetables like sukuma wiki and spinach can start with as little as 2,000 Kenya shillings. Poultry farming is also common. With about 5,000 Kenya shillings, one can start with a few chickens and grow slowly. The demand for food is always there, which makes this hustle stable and reliable. Another simple hustle is offering digital marketing services. Many businesses are now moving online, but they do not know how to reach customers. This is where young people come in. If you know how to manage social media pages, create content, or run online advertisements, you can offer these services to businesses. Some small businesses are willing to pay between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 20,000 Kenya shillings per month for these services. With several clients, the income can grow quickly. Photography and videography are also good hustles. Events like weddings, birthdays, and graduations always need someone to capture the moments. A beginner can start with a smartphone and later invest in a camera as the business grows. A single event can pay between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 30,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the level of experience and equipment used. Despite all these opportunities, many young people still face challenges. One common mistake is expecting quick money. Most hustles take time to grow. It is important to be patient and consistent. Another mistake is falling for scams. Some people promise easy money but require payment first. It is important to be careful and do proper research before joining any opportunity. Financial discipline is also very important. When money starts coming in, it is easy to spend everything. However, successful people save part of their income and reinvest it into their hustle. For example, if you make 5,000 Kenya shillings, you can save 2,000 Kenya shillings and use it to grow your business. This habit can make a big difference over time. Networking is another important factor. Connecting with other young people who are also hustling can open new opportunities. Many ideas are shared in groups, and sometimes partnerships are formed. These connections can help you learn faster and avoid common mistakes. Learning new skills is also necessary. The world is changing, and new opportunities are coming up every day. Skills like digital marketing, graphic design, and online communication are becoming more valuable. There are many free resources online where one can learn these skills without paying money. The future of hustling in Kenya is very bright. Technology is making it easier for young people to access opportunities. Mobile money services have made transactions simple and fast. A person can receive payments instantly from clients within and outside the country. This has made it easier to run businesses without physical locations. It is also important to understand that no hustle is too small. Many successful businesses started as small ideas. What matters is how you grow it. Starting small allows you to learn and improve without taking big risks. Over time, small efforts can lead to big results. Every young person has the ability to succeed. The journey may not be easy, but it is possible. With determination, patience, and the right mindset, anyone can build a strong source of income. The most important step is to start. Waiting for the perfect time can lead to missed opportunities. The best time to start is now. In the end, hustling is not just about making money. It is about building independence, gaining experience, and creating a better future. The lessons learned along the way are valuable and can be used in many areas of life. As the year 2026 continues, young people in Kenya have more opportunities than ever before. Those who take action and stay consistent will be the ones who succeed. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Take that step today, and your future self will thank you.